남남랭게 치료들이 좋아도 접제도 아니 다 드린 치료살이야. 예. 가경이 류가바 류가바 빨리 코인님이 렌드도 코인님이 말로 딱 코인님이 꼬마 다 디슈리 말해.
First of all, I would like to wish everyone good afternoon. And this afternoon, we will be going through the chapter on the sufferings of samsara, the 5th chapter of the Jewel Ornament of Liberation.
대들입니다. 시행 지도데 라르겨 요모인은 계산을 해미윤 로주 표준소바 톱용 달라티 지초 냠나 대니 시베 대화를 차이노 대님을 거인님이고 고머시아브를 차데 돔 뉴지게네 동엔 대신 교회 동에 동에 숨이 거인님이 뉴시아바데 대달 동에 숨보데 빼고는 뉴지기 동에는 제매미 받았다 교회 동에는 제제 도달되바 사다다 동해기 동에는 제기되노 폴충원다 나와 양 동에 숨보데 랑게 오요고는 신은 뉴지기 동에 소와 땅용부 있는 교회 동에는 소와 대화 있는 동해기 동에는 소와 동해 있는 양 동해 대수 신이기 관에 시나 뉴지기 동에는 풍녀를 부모들 나와서기 동에는 대화 있는 대양 수수 기운은 뉴지기 동에는 마서데 빼나 림네 차베 신자 나와라서 벌리기 나서 카콜로지에 미스로시는 균도 주발라서 파원은 뉴지기 동에는 시디 빼나 림네 페이지 수여서 나와라서 벌리기 나서 카콜로지에 서로시는 빼신야 뿌냥마지 러디는 돈은 미대와 동해매대 디니 미드소는 미대와도 동해께도 대신 뉴지기 동해의 수수 기울 여기 동해를 미소도 파원으로 동해도 채워 대단히 저기 저거래 라디 분야지도 봐 되는 미도 소하는 미대와도 동해기 지발라딘 자원 뉴제 동해 부미도 파버 미대 자원 뉴제란 동해스 시 소소 이번 교회 동해는 거에 대와 진이 바탕 다른 균 동해는 로에나 교회 동해 세자 대단히 인지 빼먹을 돌래 라이기진 동해 조 교라서 민남이 예스게 동해 교원 교라서 제 소소 대나 미게고 콜로교와도 주주 탑장 타르 동해는 교대 시진레 콜로 유행이도 주네 코아타나 양전이도 주 셰송소 데르마스 라양 부제진 더비 류단로죠 탑장 타르치보시 동인데 지게도 계신 추윤이도 주네 레이왕가 라 서딩로 셰송소 데르마스 라이게 상벌라서 보다면 데벤데 샤다 체네 삼딩 유주가 대화도 타르롱인데 지게도 성이 차대 대화 통는 남의 매비신 교바의 동의 유미세바 댄서 셰송소 숨바 동해기 동해 지rin 여할래 뭐데 랑바 랑게 동해 메디노 동해 첨부롱 봐 이노 대야 년주 동해다 den주 동해 니 시야버자 대라 당보시야나 년손에 그래도 니 시야버자오 시야버자오
You may think that it is fine that impermanence causes to die because you will be reborn again, and once you are reborn, you will have an opportunity to enjoy all the glorious pleasures of the gods and humans, and that will be sufficient for you. Such thinking typifies one who is attached to samsara's pleasure. As the antidote to this attitude, one should meditate on the faults of samsara. The summary: all pervasive suffering, likewise the suffering of change, and the suffering of suffering, these three constitute the faults of samsara. If these three sufferings were explained by simile, the all-pervasive suffering would be like unripe fruit, the suffering of change would be like eating poisonous fruit, or poisonous rice, and the suffering of suffering would be like mold on fruit. If one explained these three sufferings with their definitions, the all-pervasive suffering would be a neutral sensation, the suffering of change would be a feeling of pleasure, and the suffering of suffering would be a feeling of pain. The primary characteristics of these three sufferings were explained. We would see that we are pervaded by the suffering the moment the afflicted skandhas come to exist. All-pervasive suffering. Ordinary people will not feel the all-pervasive suffering as, for example, when one is stricken with a serious plague and a small pain in the ears and so forth is not noticeable. But the noble beings, the noble ones beyond samsara, such as stream enterers and so forth, will see the all-pervasive suffering, as, for example, when one is nearly recovered from a plague and the small pain of an ear infection is experienced as suffering. There is another example. When a hair is in the palm of your hand, there is no suffering or discomfort, but when that very hair goes into your eye, there is suffering and discomfort. Likewise, this all-pervasive suffering will not be felt as suffering by ordinary people, but it will be seen as suffering by the noble beings. The commentary on the Treasury of Abhidharma says, when one hair from the palm of your hand goes to the eye, there will be discomfort and suffering. The childish, like the palm of the hand, are not aware of the hair of all-pervasive suffering. The saintly are like an eye, and will feel the all-pervasive suffering. Second, the suffering of change. The second type, the suffering of change, is so called because all the pleasure and happiness of samsara will eventually change into suffering. The White Lotus of Great Compassion Sutra says, the kingdom of gods is a cause of suffering. All the human kingdoms are also a cause of suffering. Therefore, even if one gained a universal monarchy over beings, that would eventually change to suffering. The letter to a friend says, even if one became a universal monarch, one would eventually fall into slavery and samsara. Not only that, even one who achieved the body and enjoyment of Indra, the king of gods, would eventually die and fall. Again, the letter to a friend says, even though one becomes Indra, who is praiseworthy, one will fall down to the earth by the power of karma. Not only that, one who has achieved the state of Brahma and so forth, the king of gods who transcended the desire world and who experiences the pleasure of meditative concentration, would eventually fall. The letter to a friend says, one who achieves the pleasure and happiness of Brahmahood, free from the desire world, will again become the fuel of Avicii and suffer continuously. The suffering of suffering. Now, the suffering of suffering is the appearance of all the greater sufferings in addition to the suffering which pervades the moment we have the afflicted skandhas. Within this category, one should understand the two types of suffering, suffering of the lower realms and suffering of the higher realms.
Tela nyawa la yena tsawe nyawa ge changwe nyawa ge de juru nye sewa de nye korwa ni de joge to tsawe nyawa de ne khana ne zo m유ling de wana ne de dine teren ro ma chiro teya wana narme bisimje nyawa ne te tine yala radu tsawa de ngumbu chimbo de ngumbu de dunjum de tina de yangsue namso 대다를 최고받죠. 요 동탄이 남에 봐가 대상 대디는 야와 뒤에 송소 대다가 동에 진용을 단주비 균제 튜모도 덴버차데 다 덴버차데스 야
If one were to explain the first type, the lower realms consist of these three, the hells, hungry ghosts, and the animals. Each of these should be understood through four categories: classification, location, type of suffering, and the lifespan. The hell realm. First is the classification of the hell realms. There are 8 hot and 8 cold hells, making 16, with the occasional hells and the neighboring hells totaling 18. Where are all the hot hells located? Below this Jambudvipa. There are a great number of beings there. The lowest is Avicii, or constant suffering hell. Above that are the Pratapana, or intense heat hell, the Tatapana, or the heating hell, the Maharaurava, or great howling hell, the Raurava, howling hell, the Samgata crushing hell, the Kalasutra, or black thread hell, and Samjiva, or reviving hell. Thus the Treasury of Abhidharma says 20,000 yojanas below here is the constant suffering hell. Above that there are the other 7 hells. What type of suffering do they experience? This is explained according to their names.
占据的就是土木那边这点当不阳水的，鸟啊起来就平时都不接近，山呢农场木那边阳水不就了。他在车马车去把到，听那呢看听那个东西，烧了没รับ的把下过的，当然没รับ的把下过去的，企业都开始烧炼炸的。说的这个天信息，但是说呢，那么就小这送说，对中的这把旅行装不的，价格安达一把旅行装不，但是当不呢，看到超人的如果当不的你用的身边的当装不起来，他那日天你其实给我的出长毛那不两阿妈的事，杨中的这个的吃吧，他这样路径的。日的你们路人技术路啊，你对别差的，路边前面拉进这么先说送说，看起价格安德给把它这样的差个运出西怎么把西藏吧，巴不太这样，看起地形吃的地形线，前面西木线都对的了，这送说，我们比你身边习惯了嘛，这个俺都进吧，我们比前面拉不了俺都进吧，操那没拉说。동화 쳐봐대 초주 그만 칼로고 공부 쳐봐대 양 천에 찍고 세마징 이상하면 지금 미고 알아도 싸네 개발도 동화 쳐봐대 초주 그만을 써봐 빠빠 민만에 쓰이네 보가고는 면중하다 양 천세 수배 상람도 건디니니 지오도 부모니 좀 비고 대단한 대신 신다 초주 쉬고 고안바वे 티고 류버기 가지 짜기 세신이 람브라와 세마징도 군도 규버지 제 송소 남면 비심지 냐와니 짜기 한번 매라도 봐 주신다 남방도 빠서 동자 니슈 예배 나네 작상 빠서 도만 예배 나도 초주의 성질로 대주네 초신 미세비메 거가 쳐봐 대더라양 같이 짜를 제배 상제도 지수 제기 투버신도 제 송소 동에 방참 매배 나 나르매바 시차오 대다기 체 지시도 투잖아 양수라서 주림신对来菜的你下你天呐，这大那么就是对别那当着些先送的，感谢这这行业不的，鸟啊养水给你下去了，这数据的大家注意老是这边养水给让老熬接头，没落单了，叫啊长不差，叫啊车长不，出去你东西呢，这些都，啥数据指数吧，鸟啊听了这，鸟啊听，让老当头的没落单了，叫啊不差注意的。제와차 구지 주동 이유도 하 탑제와 다 냐와 딘좀 자르 냐와티 랑로 니동 토디 밀로다나 제와차 지당 제와차 숭부 주지 예동인 유여도 라간덴바다 냐와 umbu 자르 냐와티 랑로 시동 토디 밀로다나 제와차 제와게다 제와차 사이니的제와차 구문 시디 시동 유여도 라 추가와다 냐왕 운비치버자 냐와티 랑로 계동 톱디 밀로다나 제와차 제와 주주즈루的 제와차 사숨다 제와차 응봉 니칭 아동유 라 신주왕제치 신주왕제바다 냐와 사와저 냐와티 랑로 치주동 톱디 밀로다나 로 제와차 제왕아제의 제와차 제와 숨주의 제와차 사이게 예다 제와차 신붐의 제와차 주동인 유여도 냐와 라우드 사이네 체 바르게 깨바체토 나르면 체 바기 개바 찍토부 대더라야 라도 사세 나면 바기 개바고 시송수 녀고르 이냐와는 냐와지부 대다 쇼시네 유도 대야 도만 매만 무르 bü누부 잠이야라 심진 대다 내수도 대다 강바 샤는 바바다 샤다 차고 시부른 주로 강바 띵나 대다 쇠버른 주도 대는 라바 당보 대중도 로냐 미자면 덤즈 다도 무류가르신 고나를 추노와다 내시 대다 심진 대다 루베파도 미버차바데 대는 라바니보这中呢，中年的不知道别啷不是的，热这里面哪些的，其实我的家里想法里的，看家里出现了那边吃吧，点啷么舒服，这中的出外面他就可没看话的，点嘞，是不是给他吃了，咱们基本上的全套用过的，点啷么喜欢的，点的也不够了拉住的，点他给你恶心呢，没嘛么的，人家的不知啷么是出一些松松，这给予吃这个松嘛呢？가짜이 추진을 써봐 니순 코르다 심진이나 뭐이시나 시라도 뭐는 심진 임버 도대바는 심진 뭐 임버 내주 줘본다 말바도 밀려야서 이세바는 심진 디버치베 왕게 랑기 심이 되더라 나오는 된 디다 튀ඹ을 준줄이 심진 야외 천자는 수직기는 체도체 저스 스시 수이 제 모소되다 찔리 중 되다 탐지 디스미 뭐 두배송 현 중오
First hell, the reviving hell, beings cut and kill each other, after which a cold breeze comes. When the breeze touches their bodies, they are revived again. This happens repeatedly until their lifespan has ended. In the black thread hell, the bodies of beings who are born there are cut by flaming swords or flaming axes wherever black thread has marked their bodies. Thus it is said, some are cut by swords and others are chopped by sharp axes. In the crushing hell, the bodies of beings who are born there are crushed between two big mountains or between iron plates. First, two big mountains come together like ram's heads and crush these beings. After that, the two mountains separate and cool beings revive the bodies as before. Then again they are crushed. The letter of training says, two terrifying big mountains like ram's horns crush the body into a powder between them. Others are pressed between iron plates, and a stream of blood flows like the four great rivers. As is said, some are pressed like sesame seed, others are ground into a fine flour. In the howling hell, the sentient beings who are burning there make terrified cries of fear. In the greater howling hell, the cries are more terrified due to the greater suffering. In the heating hell, beings are tortured by fire and so forth. Molten bronze is poured into their bodies and burns the internal organs of the body. Then they are pierced from the anus through to the crown of the head with a thorny, one-pointed weapon. In the intense heating hell, beings are tortured even more. Molten bronze and so forth burns their body's entire interior, leaving only the skin, and flames appear from the 9 orifices. Again they are pierced from the anus and the soles of the 2 feet through to the crown of the head and the 2 shoulders by a thorny 3-pointed weapon. Thus it is said, likewise some are boiled in burning stream of molten metal, others are pierced on hot thorny weapons. In the constant suffering hell, there is a blazing metal house 20,000 yojanas in height and length, in which there is a bronze kettle many yojanas across. In that kettle, beings are cooked in burning molten bronze and copper. Fire surrounds them in the 4 directions. Thus it is said, some are cooked like rice soup in a huge kettle made of metal. Because there is no break from suffering is called the constant suffering hell. What is the lifespan of these beings? The Treasury of Abhidharma says, in reviving and so forth the 6 hell realms, 1 day is equivalent to a day in the lifespan of gods of the desire realm. Therefore their lifespan resembles that of the gods of the desire realm. The lifespan of the 4 guardian kings is equal to 1 day and 1 night in the reviving hell realm. So 30 days are 1 month, 12 months make 1 year. In their terms, the lifespan in the reviving hell is 500 years. In human terms, this is equal to 1,620,000,000 years. Likewise, one trillion 620 billion years. Likewise, the lifespan of the black thread hell is 1,000 years, which is similar to that of the heaven of the 33 God realm. In human terms, this is equal to 12,960,000,000,000 years. The lifespan in the crushing hell is 2,000 years, which is similar to that of the free of combat gods. In human terms, this is equal to 103,680,000,000,000 years. The lifespan of the howling hell is 4,000 years, which is similar to that of the joyous realm gods. In human terms, this is equal to 829,440,000,000,000 years. The lifespan of the greater howling hell is 8,000 years, which is similar to that of the enjoying emanation gods. In human terms, this is equal to 6,635,520,000,000,000 years. The lifespan in the heating hell is 16,000 years, which is similar to that of the controlling other emanations gods. In human terms, this is equal to 53,84,160,000,000,000 years. The lifespan of those in the intense heating hell is 1/8 of a kalpa. That of the constant suffering hell is 1/4 kalpa. It is said in the intense heating hell 1/2 anta kalpa, and in the constant suffering hell 1 anta kalpa, or intermediate eon. The neighboring hells, these are located in the 4 directions around the 8 hells. In the first additional hell, there are burning ashes in which beings sink up to their knees. Looking for a way to escape the hot hell realms, beings step into this, and all their skin, flesh, and blood burn up. When they raise their legs to take a step, they are rejuvenated again. Next to that, the second additional hell is an unclean, rotten corpse swamp, where beings are pierced to the bone by insects with white bodies, black heads, and sharp beaks. Beside that, the third additional hell consists of a road filled with razors, where all the trees and forests have razor leaves. Fierce, furious, brindled dogs live there. There is a forest with leaves like iron spikes, and there are ravens with iron beaks. Those who wander there suffer great wounds. Next to that, the fourth additional hell is a boiling river of ashes from which there is no exit. The messengers of Yama stand next to it and prevent beings from leaving, so they are cooked inside that river. Thus the treasury of Abhidharma says, 16 additional surround the 8 in the 4 directions: the burning ashes, rotten corpse, the razor road, and so forth, and the boiling river. The guardians of the hell realm, the Yamas in human form, and the ravens with iron beaks, and so forth, are they sentient beings or not? The Vaibhashika school says they are sentient beings, and the Sautrantika school says they are not. The Yogacarya school in the lineage of Marpa and Mila said that they manifest in the minds of sentient beings by the power of those beings' evil deeds. In relation to this, engaging in the conduct of bodhisattvas says, who intentionally created all the weapons for those in hell? Who created the burning iron ground from whence did all the demonesses ensue? The sage has said that all such things are the workings of an evil mind.
Nigalia Tamo de la Dishenamro Tatamungan Dishen. That Digi Kajue Zodida Koedunge. That Koedunge she Justane. Nyandru Dunge, the Dendru Dunge, Somarveda. Nyandru Dendru Ni Indus, Nyandru Dungas at Dendru. Takandar, Jagi Kajweda. Nyandru the Dendru Ni Nan, Dag Nyandru Dunge, the Lang and Sung Dunge, Tina and Tambunya Dunge Sungyare. Tanyawa Tele, Tsai Nyawa, the Changway Nyawa, Yesinya horse. That's how a Nyawa ticket, Zawe Nedi. Jung Kashe Narola Tsave Nyawegi Zave Nedi Doji Dengio O Pase Tonta Nishuna Your rest the song Zave Nedi the name Changway Nyawadi Zave Nedi Kardisiki Kardisiki Walia your rest the Ned Sonsha.
Now here, this chapter is describing the sufferings of samsara. And with the sufferings of samsara, there are the sufferings of the lower realms and of the higher realms. And of these two, the sufferings of the lower realms are the 3 lower realms. And with the hell realms, there are the different hells, the hot hells, the cold hells, the occasional hells, and the neighboring hells. Now, in some ancient Indian texts, it gives a location for where the hot hells and the cold hells are.
Location.
It gives the main location for where the hot and cold hells are. And it is said that the hot hells are primarily below Bodh Gaya, 20,000 leagues below Bodh Gaya. And the cold hells are below the Mount Meru.
Mount Kailash.
Mount Kailash.
Ta Kandaraya, Telia Jungxia, Uma Pembu Lumbala. Pembusa di Pegu, Yuzang Lumbachire. Pembu Lumbalia, the ne Rubjunch. Korantambu Rubjunche. She's to talk on Miji Sejar. Miji Sejar in Dusana. Go Choden Pusha, Nanny Yun, Choden Pusha, Michiares Miji de Tingilia, Janga Tsutim Bar, Gadam Kunjesung and Marve, Janga Tsuba, Kundun Jangashin. And Janga Vega or Legunde Chesumberes, Legunde Susan. Soneta, Nenga de Lamatambas Tangore. Shifted Sumberes. The Duzan and go, the Garzadi. The Talos or Castle Daddy. 차바 노데디 거기 삼레나 가르코르스나 라만 디소 미고고 준 라야래 개우스탄도스 다이네 얘나 저진 지치네 단 종기 군디인디 롬사데 게라 첨보르도 롬된디 그래서 그 군디인디 지치네 대바기 게톱다고 삼네 종기 저진 침브레스 저진 주두산에 롬된바 꾸시고다 토버스 대사 롬된바 꾸시고다 토버스 파스웨이 꾸시고다 뒤주 토버다고 롬된바 제토만 근데 인도 대두 계시 공부와사디 저진 쇼 유베인두산에 그 계시 공부와 제하심
There is a story about this. In the area of Penbo in central Tibet, there was a monk who actually murdered someone else and therefore was expelled from the monastery. And so he went to Chengawa Tsochimbar and he asked for, and he received some teachings, and Chengawa was teaching on karma, cause, and effect. And Chengawa said that the main point is that one needed to serve or attend a great lama. And so this former monk thought to himself, well, lamas are really good at fooling people and telling lies. So I'm going to go to Dromraji and go see if I can find Drom Tunpa, another great Kadampa master, and see if he will inspire any faith. And he went there, but it was about the same time that Drom Tunpa had passed away. And so he went to speak to meet. So there was another Geshe who was there, Geshe Gompawa, and so he went to meet him.
Geshe Gompawa che sungze tamjia ko yi ma jia che sungba che mangbu sung che sungba tamjia le ko yi ma jia che ting ji li ya de ne choba ji ga le gathering ya sung che ting ji sung che ji ga li ya ne dang gi de long de de wo ba zi ni shu na na me ba wo te zang mo sa de sung ba de Geshe Gompawa de sung ba de sundu sane dine ko di ta de chawa di kara di chawa ta chawa ina de chalo ina di dine ko yi ma se ko yi ma se ne dine Geshe Gompawa la ki de de wo ba zi ni shu na na wa na me ye ba de su ha ko res ba zi ni shu de su chi me res de 水气呢，牙老呢，伢娃那边也不水烫的，给这记不得是。
Now, when Geshe Gamboa was teaching the Dharma, this former monk did not believe a single thing that he said. Of the many things that Gamboa said in his teachings, the monk didn't believe any of them at all. And so one time in a gathering, there was Gompawa was giving a Dharma teaching, and he recited this verse from the Treasury of Abhidharma, which reads, 20,000 leagues below here is the incessant hell. And this monk just did not believe this. He said, and he asked Gompawa, who knows that there are 20,000 leagues below here? There's the incessant hell, the hell of incessant suffering. Who's been there and come back from there?
Tene tadi kandishu sa Geshe Gompawa di tal digavle reshi parto de tizu ji dezi jering la dikar khashwe de jenjap si ne da jenjap si samar da de mi ju da ne da ko mi yi ji che omra yi che omra da jenjap si ne de ne na dikar jo jenjap ge de dezi khar mi ba nang ne da len jam ma to bres da di ti de Geshe shinda jo Geshe shinda de da len yan 다 탐지 gembe sungbare 탐지 gembe 상게 좀 된데 sungbare Tene dusan delabe ije sone nganzu nije ni sungura ma shen bazi ni bazi ni shun miji chi ni tene ya yong sa te morma bazi ni shun miji chi ni digi tene o di bazi ni shuna tene bazi tongta ni shuna tene karsa nyawa do se tene je dgas miji li ji che de ba rabu mares 대 탐지 김배송이 다 될때 맞아 세만지네 이제 저거 레스 기시 신다지 렌 답
When he was asked this question, then Geshe Gompa burst into tears, and he shed so many tears that he was unable to answer the question. And so another Geshe who was there said, "Oh, this was said by the omniscient Buddha, and so we have to believe it. He is an authority. Otherwise, how could someone go down 20,000 leagues and see that, oh yes, there is a hell there? Who else could there be that we could believe in?" So this was the words of the omniscient one, so they must be authoritative.
dane midi de gara de chawa de chalo de tende ina tamje kemba sa de tamje kemba mai na ge chore sten ko ya lang lo so.
And so at that point, the former monk got up and he said, "Well, I don't know if he's, I'm not sure how to translate this word, so excuse me."
No problem. Tene chisu tende chawadi de chalo de la tene pende chawasinda jigi kola gizi jibres ane jorang gizi gombo wa de teba ge sunges teba ge ga teba igi da sonrwa romla karsa di redin la teba ji igi da sin du sane da gizi gombo wa teba ge sunges jibres 그 게시 공부하사 줌을 납진시도 스타데 미 줌을 쉬시도 줌 공부하지도 문 나는 고고여서는 공부하지 이내 포초가 간 고고 땅도 말아 고고 땅도 맞어
And so that monk got up and he left, not believing anything. And he went off, and later he met another monk who had known that he had gone to see the Geshe Gompa. And he said, "So did you feel faith for Geshe Gompa?" And the former monk said, "I feel faith for Geshe Gompa. He's as big a liar as any of them. He can't answer a question. He starts to cry, starts to cry like a baby. You know, how could a big guy like me feel faith for him?"
That end of the that the 이 나로래야 자기 다디 라마르시다민 저는 다디 나로래야 다디 시라라마르시다 유스마네 디나로래야 다 누르르 가시에 저래 다디난 개치슈를 지래야 타겐이 배 카시에나 룬딕 바마이미라 디즈나로래야 드네 냐와 차외기 된 체세 시에요 거리야 저와타 저 순주 될래야 드네 저와타 주스 디도스 저와타 주사데 이게 마다버레도스 네 디저차 순주를 기르고도스
There are some typographical errors in some of the editions, the Tibetan editions in these passages, and one of the most important of these is one that is found in some editions, including the Rumtek edition, where in discussing the lifespan of one of the hot hells, it is off by a factor of 10.
다 전에 준주기 농참배 겁리야 즉시서시 수위 지면 뭐다 모소트다 진리 중시 다 농참배 겁라 다 디가 모디 카시기 백하시나로 타긴이 백하시나로 메스 규르아데 다데 모 임바데 이제 금세 쳐요 그렇지 대한 군기 빼만 가르기 된 준주 대변 나로랴 디 메모임바 모스도 당하나 좀 다 품에 된들래야 고고아이 바탕 준주기 갸베 디즈나로 준주기 갸베 섬르베 다 준주기 갸베 나로래야 야 못다요 레스티 가르사디 디 가르소다 산스키디날 라 포다 모다 마니다 데게 야와시 두산에 델리아 못다요 인상 데 몰고도스 몰고도스 라미엔데다 조디 긴디 춘베게 리저브 한조 나로래야 데 송여봐 양 준주기 편제 카지당 다나지 타긴기 백카지 나로래야 메소테다 질레 중스 멜리아 시아베트 용디 유스레 이나 모디 디스 금제 차오면로 선버르스데 주제
There is also the citation from the way of the Bodhisattva, and in this it says, "Who created the burning iron ground? Where did all the women in hell come from?" And here, in some of the editions of the Jewel Ornament of Liberation, instead of saying women, mo, it says fire or me, and so this is found in several editions. Now, the omniscient Pema Karpo explains that that it should not be fire, but it should be women. Read woman here, and in many Indian manuscripts.
No. The original text, Junju.
He explained that in the original text of the Way of the Bodhisattva, it does not read fire, but it reads woman there. Also, in some Sanskrit manuscripts of the Way of the Bodhisattva, the word has a feminine ending. So, in Sanskrit, words can be masculine, feminine, or neuter in gender, and this one has a feminine ending. And so, for that reason, it refers to women, not to fire. And also, in Gendun Chipel's works on Sanskrit, it is explained as being feminine. And so, even though it says in some Tibetan editions of the Way of the Bodhisattva and in the Jewel Ornament of Liberations, in some of these it says that it reads fire, but it actually should read women, and there is good reason, or there is good backup for it reading thus.
다드네 냐와디 다디 걸리아 가르에 냐와 니송데조 셈젠 이마이사들 남균 쯧바르 차지레 다들이야 라마 고만남기 시주지 가래 연구하랬잖아 엔 미카지 가서잖아 다 냐외 니송데조 지규 지야메 지규 가래서는 뭐 셈남장시 셈그 나와 잠시라 왔어 지고 야스게 아라랑 셈이 나와 좀 되는 지고야 가래서 근데 드리신이 랑게 통용 어때 통용서나 권용 다디 나마 고모놈 있으나 셈남 랑게 셈이 나와 다 디베게 다 가수야지 레나 근데 임바 텔레데네 학벌도 지고 깨고 버렸어. 경선 진시나 권 지바 란셈버 치르 유를 조대빈 지바로 지빈나 지시라 텔레 유에탑다 텔레 저탑 용시그레스 다 디바 랑 바자 랑 레낭기 바샤입니다 다지 디바 마장 바다 랑도 냠도 레용으로 마도베 텔레 전로서 지다 다로서 지 야마 근데 디 균셀 때네 랑게 셈낭이 셈기 나와임비 셈기 춘주야 디베 바샤임 텔라 때는 학벌도 지고 깨고 그래서 근데 손 근데 인도산 대 미세지 가지고디 구주 상보지 로제 상보로 도삼 들을 차서 딱 강다량 지당기지 셈당 가지고다 뭐다 얘들
Now here there is discussion as to whether the guardians of the hells are sentient beings or not, and so there's a lot of debate about this. Now some people, when they explain this, they say that if the guardians of hell are merely appearances of our mind, then there is no need to fear, because actually then the appearance of a guardian of hell would just be a perception that comes up in your own mind, and there is no need to fear that. And so there are people who explain it this way, and I've heard such explanations. But many great masters of the past have actually said that if the guardians of hell are projections of our own mind, or appearances that appear in our mind that come from the evil karma that we have accumulated, then they're especially terrifying. And the reason for this is that if the guardians of hell were actual autonomous beings, separate autonomous beings, then there'd be some way that we could possibly escape them, flee from them, and escape them. But because they are projections or appearances of our karma, until such a time as we have purified the evil karma that causes that appearance, there's no way that we can flee from them and no way that we can escape them. And so, since they are projections or appearances in our own mind, then they're especially terrifying. They arise out of the imprints of the wrongs we have done. And so I think this is a good way to understand it.
디나로 가르수면서나 내줄 죄바다 마바이 담밀레 얍세기 샤바 네세 마미 얍세기 샤바 데 내줄 죄바 섬섬바다 냠도 바 괴샤디 테미테 제바 체고도스 아데레스 순이데 온데 야레 다디 제바 체고아지레샤.
Now, it also says in the text here, the Yogacara school and the lineage of Marpa and Mila say that they manifest in the minds of sentient beings. And so this is, here they are saying that the explanation of the Yogacara school as well as the explanation of Marpa and Milarepa are equivalent. And it is necessary to examine whether this is tenable or not.
다대양 배 민자와 나로래양 가시 나로라 마바도 밀레야스 이 샤바사데 메베든제 용스비 인도 다지 샤와시 있으래.
And since there are so many different editions, it's also possible that some of the editions might lack the words saying that it's the same as the lineage of Marpa and Milarepa.
예. 가수로데 다버싱엘이야. 딱 기지 가시시 디나바 최는 가서. 대버샴도 트레인두산에 나 가라고 당기지 켜디 반드시게. 소디
First, I'll speak for a little while, and then we might break a little bit earlier. I'm not feeling so well, and he has asked me to explain what I had missed before. And so this is in the story of Geshe Gompa, with the monk who didn't believe when Geshe. And when the other Geshe said, "Oh, it's something that only the omniscient one can know. Only the omniscient one would be able to know. No one could go to the incessant hell and come back 20,000 leagues. So we have to accept the omniscient one as an authority." And so what this former monk, the one who had murdered another person, said is that, well, who's going to be who is going to vouch for that other person or swear that the omniscient one is truly omniscient? And so he didn't believe in anything. And so later he met the other monk, and the other monk asked him, "Did you feel faith for Geshe Gompa?" And he said, "How could I feel faith for Geshe Gompa? He's as big a liar as anyone and just sheds tears instead of explaining anything."